drug proving. Okay, that's the second point of the business of a true physician related to acquiring the knowledge of the instrument intended for the cure of the natural disease, investigating the pathogenetic power of the medicine in order when called on to cure to be able to select from among them from the list of whose symptoms an artificial disease may be constructed as similar as possibility to totally symptom of the natural disease sought to be cured. Okay, what is the theme of these lines? Ki artificially, by drug proving, you are artificially just creating a disease, okay, in a healthy person, okay, and after creating a disease in a healthy person, okay, you can just select that thing as a medicine, okay, so that we will see all the things. Okay, then in aphorism number 1052 to aphorism number 145 about in sixth edition of Organon of Medicine, okay, about drug proving is given. Okay, so then where it is given in the aphorism number 105 of Organon of Medicine, sixth edition. Okay, then it was Albert von Haller who provided Hahnemann the necessity of genuine mode of testing medicine for their pure and peculiar effects in the deranging the health of a man in order to learn what morbid state each medicine is capable of curing. Okay, it is already given in footnote number 108 of aphorism of footnote of aphorism number 108. Okay, so this drug proving idea of drug proving is not given by Dr. Hahnemann first time. Okay, it was given by Albert von Haller. Okay, not by Dr. Hahnemann. Okay, just Dr. Hahnemann has followed his idea. Okay, how to do the process of drug proving. Okay, this idea is totally of this Albert von Haller. Okay. Then the concept of drug proving. Okay, concept of drug proving. Okay, Syncona Bark trial. Okay, already we have studied ki first time. Okay, Syncona Bark experiment was there. Okay, so this experiment was done by Dr. Actually, he was translating the Cullen's Materia Medica. Okay, so at that time, what happened? He has seen ki if any healthy person is taking this Cullen's, okay, bark, okay, for 3 to 4 days or 5 days, okay, then they will get the symptom of malaria, okay, so which was not digested or as a scientist, okay, or scientific person, Dr. Hahnemann was not able to digest this thing, and he has done this experiment on himself. Okay, so the second edition of Cullen's work in 2 volumes came in 1789. Is Treatise of Materia Medica. In second volume, Cullen's provided 20 pages to Syncona Bark. Okay, he has written in 1789. Okay, the Cullen's has written about the Syncona Bark. Okay, so this was the first experiment by Hahnemann. Okay, so what is the first drug proving? First drug proving was done by Dr. Hahnemann on himself. Okay, he has seen the action of Syncona bark. Okay, then regarding the question of medicinal effect of the Peruvian bark. Okay, Peruvian bark is same that Syncona bark. Okay, Cullen of defeated the old opinion of the efficacy of the remedy through the toxic effect on the stomach. Okay, means what is given by the old school. Okay? It has some toxic effect that was just his opinion. He has not accepted. Okay, Hahnemann become the ingredient over the toxicological explanation of the antis parative power of cinchona bark that Cullen was ascertaining. Okay, what Dr. Cullen, Dr. Cullen has told about the cinchona bark. Okay, everything was ascertained by the Dr. Hahnemann. He has came to know what he has told, everything is correct. Okay. You are getting it, na? Because this is just a history part. Okay, how it has started. Okay, actual procedure of drug proving we will learn. Okay, then research of Cullen induced Hahnemann to make experiments upon himself with the cinchona. I took the several days as an experiment, 4 tranche, okay, of good cinchona twice daily. Okay, he has taken good cinchona, okay, for several days. Okay, then to sum up all these symptoms, which to me are typical of intermittent fever, all made their appearance. These paroxysms, okay, last for 2 to 3 hours every time and recur when I repeat the dose, not otherwise. I discontinue the medicines and I was one once more in good health. Okay, when he has discontinued the medicine, okay, again he become healthy. Okay, he has got taken this cinchona bark. Okay, then after that he got sick, and when he has just left taking the medicine, and again he was okay, or he was good. Okay, the cinchona experiment brought out not only the exact physiological effect of the bark, it has shown him that these effects be apparently the same as the symptom of the disease for which it was used. Okay, drug specific after specific was tested by Hahnemann on himself and on his family and friend, all with one result: each remedy of recognized specific power excites a spurious disease resembling that for which it was considered specific. The verified his observation by exploring the recorded experiment story of the poisoning. He sensed a ella that taught him to recognize that in effect that a substances has on the healthy organism is to provide the curative power for similar disease symptom. Okay, means if any healthy person is getting any type of symptom, okay, same type of symptom is cured by these medicines or this cinchona. Okay, Hahnemann has recorded the effect of a drug administered to the healthy person. This led Hahnemann to 6 year study of different drug on himself and others. Okay, to bring out the principle of homeopathy. Okay, actually he has got all these things in 1790, but he has explored that there is one system of medicine, that is homeopathy, that he brought in 1796. Okay, so he took 6 years to explore all these things. Okay, he got all the information, he has experimented on himself and his relatives, his neighbors. Okay, and later on he has given a conclusion. Okay, that is related, that one system, that is the homeopathy. Okay, Hahnemann provings and his provers union. The provers whom Hahnemann selected and who appeared worth to him, he invited into the family and so attached them to himself in a personal and family way. Okay, the persons to whom he has done his first proving was he himself, his relatives, his friends, his neighbors. Okay, to all of them he has done the experiment. Okay. Then Franz Hartmann was a member of the Prover Union along with the staff, Gross, okay, Hornberg, okay, Franz, then Wislens, okay, then Hermann, Struck, and Langman. Okay, all these are his companion or his friend who helped him in drug proving. Okay, then proving were carried out according to the exact system of from the detailed instructions. The observation of the result which even individual has to make on himself at a definite time were entered up in the careful prescription manner. After that, comparative relationship of the medicinal effect observed by himself, individual provers were taken and power of medicine was established after comparison of the different participants. Okay, the whole process we will learn in the process of drug proving. Okay, this is because as it is a history part. Okay, so just this history part is also related with this what actually nowadays what is done in the process of drug proving. Okay, the provers has to be as healthy as possible and keen to explore the high trust that one is expecting to find out the strong sense of conscientious, conscientious honesty without expecting the slightest worthy advance and not even the honor of being publicity mentioned as a prover. Okay, means what prover he has selected, they don't have any type of greed. Okay, regarding that they want to be famous. Okay, they want their get their names. Okay, means they are totally honest with the Dr. Hanneman. Okay, means they are the honest friend or they are the persons who can Dr. Hanneman can trust on them. Okay, then proving organon of medicine. Okay, what is given in organon of medicine, 6th edition. Okay, so aphorism number 105 to 145. Okay, aphorism number 105 to 145. Remember it about drug proving in this given. Okay, for selection of suitable homeopathic remedy, the whole pathogenetic power of medicine must be known. All the morbid symptoms and alteration in the health uh, that each medicine is capable of providing in the healthy individual must be observed before administering the simillimum. Okay, all these things are given in aphorism number 106, 107, 108, 109, okay, like that. But till from aphorism number 105 to aphorism number 145, what thing is given that is totally related with the drug proving. Okay. Then Dr. Hanneman mentioned were confirmed by earlier writings who noted the toxicological effect in the large doses. He concluded that the pathogenetic effect of the drugs are provided according to the fixed eternal law of nature. Okay, that is given in aphorism number 111. Okay, so this much is given in the different aphorisms. Okay, by Dr. Hanneman. Okay, then first first drug proving is done by Dr. Hanneman on the cinchona bark, okay, cinchona plant. Okay, when he was translating Pullens Materia Medica, okay, he got to know if you will take the bark of this cinchona officinalis or Peruvian bark, okay, for some time you will get the same type of symptom or malaria like a symptom. Okay, that will be fever, cough, okay, abdominal pain, headache, okay, all these things. Okay, and when you will just leave taking this medicine, automatically you will be cured. Okay, so all these things just came in his mind and he has experimented on it himself and his relatives and his friends, and he just brought the homeopathic drug proving. Okay, so what was the first homeopathic drug proving? First homeopathic drug proving was the on Peruvian bark or Cinchona officinalis, okay, or Cinchona plant. Okay, that why he has done, because when he was translating the Cullen's Materia Medica, he got to know about all these things. Okay, if you will take any plant who will give same type of symptom that can cure that particular type of disease. Okay, so this is the history part of the drug proving. Okay.